Hello and welcome to this video about how to use your Rilem membership credentials. My name is Daniela Chancho, I'm the Rilem Implementation Manager and I will guide you through this short presentation. When you pay your membership fees, you will receive, for the first time, you will receive some credentials that are very important to build your personal profile page and to have access to the endless list of publications produced by the Rilem technical committees. How do we do that? Well, you do that by logging in our website using this credential. So I insert the credential of a Rilem member that has kindly shared his credential with us. So by clicking here and adding your username and password, you'll be directed to your personal profile page. This is the personal profile page of a Rilem senior member, Professor Gert Schutter. And you can edit your picture by clicking on this button. You can edit your email address, your phone numbers. You can edit the links to the social media channels that you used most. And here you'll find the information automatically generated by the Rilem system that tells you, reminds you the TC that you have chaired or that you have sat in as a deputy chair, and the technical committees in which you have been or are currently a member. And at the bottom here, you can edit your career path, your titles, your skills, etc., etc. These are all information that other Rilem members will be able to see. You can also search for other Rilem member nearby where you're located using this map tool, but also you can search for other Rilem member or corporate member by typing in a surname or a keyword. But the most important information available on this profile page that you have to build is contained in this box. This box has links that takes you to the documents that you have access to. The most important one are this one, committee documents, because as a Rilem member, you're entitled to become a member of a technical committee. By doing that, you clicking on committee documents, you have a list of all TC that in which you are a member. And by clicking on any of these TC, you will see the documents produced by this technical committee here. So the summary, planning work, etc., etc. If you go back to my profile, then you will see another link, which is the Springer proceedings. Well, one of the benefits of becoming a Rilem member is that you have access for free to the electronic version of the Springer, of the proceedings published by Springers. So you'll be directed to this web page, and by clicking on any of these, you will see that you can download the book of the proceedings. Fantastic. Stars and reports are the same that you will see on the from our own page. So if you go for publication reports, you come up with the same page. So you will see the unedited version of the state-of-the-art reports, and at the bottom of this page you will see other type of reports still produced by the Rilem technical committees. A material and structure online version, this is another benefit of Rilem members, so you can access the all papers, not only those on open access mode, published on material and structures, and the Rilem proceedings, these are free to everyone, but you have to log in, as we did now, to download the proceedings published by Rilem publications. So you can have a look at your profile page anytime by clicking on this icon up here and modify your profile or complete it. And I hope that this video was useful somehow. If you have any question, don't hesitate to contact us by clicking on this link contact, filling in the form, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.